So good evening everybody. I am Jay Sri from SNS College of Technology from the Department of Biomedical Engineering. So here we are going to discuss the video about business medical canvas. So business model canvas, we need to talk about any company, a biomedical based company and their manufacturing and their outputs and their progress. That is what we are going to see with this company. Let us see with my student Dharanidharan. Let us explain this business model canvas.
So, welcome all. I'm Dharnidharan from third year BME, and I'm happy to explain about the BMC video. So, BMC is nothing but basically what we have to do in a role to earn that we put as a BMC. So, I will explain about the founder. First of all, Mason Company was founded in 2015, and the team size was like about 65, and the location was like Washington. So this is how the company have actually started. This is the base of the company. Ma'am, can you please go to the next slide?
Yes. Is this
So
okay?
here we have why we need BMC. For that, we actually have 7 by 7 sectors, which actually means 7 by 7 industries: agriculture and food, healthcare, energy, aerospace, automobile industry, finches, smart cities, and etc. And also we have 7 innovations, which is augmented and virtual reality, IoT, robotics, AML, and additive manufacturing. So here, what we are choosing for this company is healthcare plus AML and data science. Healthcare we are going to fully focus on, but for AML and data sciences to obtain the data and do the data analysis. So this is why we use Mansion, and this is a hardware company. This company was, as I mentioned before, it was founded in 2015, mainly for logistics, manufacturing, and etc. So, ma'am, can we go to the next slide?
Yes. These are the steps for BMC.
So here it comes, the steps of BMC. Okay, let me explain the steps of BMC. So what are all the source for the revenue? That is the main thing we see when we open a company. And who are all the key partners for the company? That is also the second step we look into. After that, what are all the key resources for the company we look for? After that, what are the components of the cost structure, and what are the key activities they do to connect their customers and understand their strategy for customer relationship, understanding their customer and value proportions in transaction. These are all saw as a primary thing in a BMC. And last of all, we see identifying the mode of connection their in the end of the customer, because the customer connection is very important as we know to connect and build our company. Next slide, ma'am. So
Yes.
here it comes, the 9 main steps of every BMC. I'm just starting up with the key partners. So key partners here are nothing but technology partners, manufacturing partners, distribution and retail partners, customer receiving partners, and etc. So key activities are nothing but research and development, product designing, and controlling objects. These are all the key activities. So after that, we have key resources, where we use physical resources, intellectual resources, and human resources. Coming up to the next one, we have value proportions, by which we say, ma'am, below slide, yeah, by which we say innovative technology, premium design, and tailor solution. After that, we have customer relationship. So customer relationship is one of the most important thing in a BMC. So we here give a personalized customer service and customer engagement. After that, we have channels. What are all the channels we are going to use? Are online channel, customer service channels, and offline channels. After that, we have customer segment, which we will go with original equipment manufacturing, startup and tech firms, industry manufacturing companies. So after that, we have the main two things at the end. One is the cost structure, and second one is the revenue. The cost structure is nothing but for raw material, storage facilities, and manufacturing labors and technology investment. And the revenue streams are nothing but product designing service and manufacturing partnership. So basically, these are all the main things that we see in our BMC. this main nine keys should be see for every company, so that they can build a very good relationship with their customer, and also that will help to improve the company and update, because feedback makes them more and more to get updated to the day to day life which people will come for. So this is what the BMC of Mason Company is all about. Thank you for listening.
So thank you, Dharnidharan, for your wonderful BMC video about this nation. So thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am.